Pepe's back this week. We're going to get a little bit more work done down here in the new shop. It's a mess right now. I've moved some stuff to get out of the apartment, and I put stuff into 3 different storage units. It's still in the other county, and that's a 70-mile round trip. So I've still got a lot of moving to do, but it's not in a rush pace. So we're going to continue on. I need to, after we just did the garage doors, you remember the last video if you're following the channel, the installation of the garage door, and I had to install a header and support that wall. Behind me is the support temporary wall that I used to support the structure while I put in the header. And I've got to do the same thing. This wall, about 12 feet of it needs to come out because each side of this is 12 feet wide. And with the garage door coming in the side, you can't get a car in there. Maybe a Miata, that'd be about it, if that. And you definitely can't make the turn. So I'm going to take out 12 foot and put in a truss or a header, whatever you want to call it. It's going to be made out of 2x12 and the plywood, like I did last time. It's glued together. In fact, it's already built. It's laying there on the floor. I've just got to get that installed, and that's what I'm going to be doing the next few hours, and just watch me work. Okay, Pappy's back today. We're going to be knocking out these studs. We've got partial temporary wall on each side. About 6 joists are supported. And I'm going to remove the studs from the main wall, the load-bearing wall, and I'll reuse those to complete the temporary wall further down. But we're just going to knock out 6 right now. Just watch me work. The memory chip had died in my camcorder, and I'm doing a voiceover for the last bit here. Anyway, that's a 2x12 joist that I'm putting in. It's actually a header. It's made out of 2 2x12s sandwiched between a piece of 3/8 plywood and then 2 2x4 12-foot to cap it on each end. And I'm going to install that down the main center there. Though, as you can see, those are the 2 temporary walls I'd put in, and then I tore out the main wall. That's where I'm at, and if you could, give this channel a thumbs up, and we'll see you next week.